Guys, it's swallow time. This is my white dry garri, ijebu garri, okay? You can I eat garri with my yogurt, okay? This is the garri, yeah? And this is my water boiling. So I'm gonna let it boil. As soon as it boils, I'm gonna tip it inside here and make my eba. My boiled water inside the bowl to make the eba. Okay? This is how to make eba. It's quick and simple, especially when you are hungry. You just came back from work, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna sieve the dirty out. So when you make eba, you put enough hot water quickly so that the hot water will help you to remove some of the dirt as well from the eba. If you want it hard, then you put less water. You want it soft, like me, I like my eba to be soft so that I'll be able to swallow. I don't eat swallow all the time, you know, once in a while, you know, I eat swallow. So this is white ijebu garri to eat with my ogbono soup. Ogbono and okra soup I just made. I'll go and sit down and have this eba with my soup. It's simple and easy to make. Just allow your hot water to boil. You can make it in your saucepan, inside your saucepan as well. As the water is boiling, inside the hot water. Okay, guys, my eba is ready. Look at that. You know, eba is ready. Look at my eba.